Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on scalable TypeScript generics for reusable component design patterns. If you're a developer looking to enhance the scalability and maintainability of your applications, understanding TypeScript generics is crucial. In this video, you'll discover how generics can transform your coding practice by enabling you to write flexible and reusable code components. Whether you're building complex applications or simple scripts, mastering generics will help you write more efficient and type-safe code. Stay till the end to learn how to apply these concepts practically, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you ensure you're always up to date with the latest tutorials, helping you stay ahead in your development journey. Let's dive in. Let's explore the theory behind TypeScript generics. Generics in TypeScript act like parameters for types, allowing you to create components that work with any data type while maintaining type safety. Imagine a generic as a reusable template that can adapt to different types of data inputs. This flexibility is achieved through parameterization, where types are passed as parameters to functions, interfaces, or classes. Think of it like this. If a function is a recipe, a generic function is a recipe that can use any type of ingredient, ensuring that whatever ingredient you use, the dish will still turn out perfectly. Generics are fundamental in creating scalable code, as they allow you to write abstract, flexible, and reusable components without sacrificing type safety. This abstraction is vital in reducing code duplication and enhancing the maintainability of your projects. For instance, consider a generic function that merges two objects, regardless of their types. This function can be reused across various projects, making your code base both scalable and efficient. Let's delve into a practical code example to understand how scalable TypeScript generics can be implemented for reusable component design patterns. We'll focus on the list component, which demonstrates how to use generics in a React application. This component allows you to create lists that can handle any data type, making it a perfect example of a reusable design pattern. The file we'll discuss is list.tsx, where we define a generic list component. This component takes an array of items and a render item function as props. The render item function is responsible for rendering each item in the list. By using generics, we ensure that the list component is flexible and can handle any item type, whether it's a list of users, products, or any other data structure. Here is the code. Now, let's see these concepts in action. Imagine navigating to a web page where you find a clear title indicating Scalable TypeScript Generics Example. You see two lists rendered on the page, a user list and a product list. As you scroll, you notice that each item in these lists is displayed correctly, showcasing the power of generics in handling various data types. The user list displays names like Alice and Bob, while the product list highlights items such as Product A and Product B. This demonstration confirms the flexibility and reusability of the list component, making it a powerful tool in your TypeScript toolkit. To wrap up, mastering scalable TypeScript generics is a game changer for developers aiming to build reusable and efficient component design patterns. With the knowledge you've gained, you can now create components that handle various data types without compromising on type safety. This not only enhances your coding efficiency, but also ensures your applications are scalable and maintainable. As you continue your development journey, consider experimenting with generics in your projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one, packed with real-world examples that accelerate your learning curve. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.